Hello, friends! Welcome, everyone! For those of you in the USA, this video is very important. Today, we're going to talk about personal finance and investment, which will help secure your financial future. You might be thinking, I don't have enough money right now, so why should I think about finance? But believe me, the sooner you start, the better. The first step is to create a budget. It's essential to track your income and expenses. This way, you'll know where your money is going. Each month, make sure to note your fixed expenses, like rent and utility bills, and your variable expenses, such as food and entertainment, separately. Next is your emergency fund. You should save at least 6 months' worth of living expenses for unexpected costs. This fund will protect you in situations like losing your job or a major medical emergency. If you have any high-interest debt, pay it off as quickly as possible. Credit card debt is the most damaging in this regard. You can use the snowball or avalanche methods to pay off your debt. Next, let's talk about investing. In the USA, there are many investment options, such as the stock market, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and cryptocurrency. Choose the right investment based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. It's never too late to start saving for retirement. Plans like 401k, IRA, and Roth IRA offer tax benefits. Regularly investing in these plans will secure your future and allow you to benefit from compounding. Personal finance is an ongoing process. Keep learning and seek help from a financial advisor when needed. The right knowledge and planning will lead to financial freedom. I hope these tips are helpful to you. Remember, today's small steps will build the foundation for tomorrow's great success. If you like the video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.